My kids are into monster trucks and dinosaurs big time right now. So I thought, why not blend the two together and create a custom toy that they can have some fun with. Of all the clients I've had over the years, to be honest, I'm a little nervous of these guys because my kids, like most kids, can be brutally honest. So I need to be on top of my game for this one. I decided to jump right into X-Shape and start concept modeling. Normally I like to start with a sketch and work from there, but I thought I'd have a little bit more freedom and fun this time, just working with the sub-Ds within X-Shape. I know that this truck has to have some teeth to it, and I want it to have like a really angry look to it, and number one, it has to survive life in the sandbox. Once I was happy with the concept model of the beast, I took the original truck apart and took some basic measurements. I then jumped into SOLIDWORKS and created a rough box model of the truck, with my main focus being on the two bosses that'll attach to the chassis. I brought that SOLIDWORKS model into X-Shape and quickly scaled the truck's body to fit. I was even able to use the opacity tool so that I could see where the truck was and line everything up, and I was surprised on how quick it was and how much freedom I had to get the model dialed right where I needed it to be. I made a few more adjustments to the truck body, gave it a little bit more style, and then I jumped right back into SOLIDWORKS, added a few features, and combined the original bosses to the truck. My good friend Sean O'Neill helped out by creating a model of the chassis. Once I had all those elements, I did a quick assembly inside SOLIDWORKS. I then opened up SOLIDWORKS Visualize, applied different materials to the different elements of the monster truck, and then I used these renderings to get approval from my clients. After they gave me the green light, I decided to send the project off to my 3D printer. I was really impressed with the amount of detail that this 3D printer is able to put out and how clean the part really was. After I got it all cleaned up, the moment of truth was finally there, and the part snapped right into the chassis. After that, I was feeling really good about the project, so I decided to bust out the airbrush gun and add even more detail. So overall, the mission was a complete success, and I had a really good time making this project. And I also taught my kids a very valuable lesson, that sometimes in life, the best toys are the ones you make yourself. I used 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS for Makers to make this happen. Design, create, share, and make with Dassault Systems.